Good morning everyone. This is RVS Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. So this is about the quick revision of Unit 2. In a Unit 2 you will be knowing the terms entrepreneur development. So what is meant by entrepreneur? We already discussed in a Unit 1 that entrepreneur is a set of process which is going to develop. So when we are concluding it in terms of models, you will be known that or practical approach of this entrepreneurship subject helps in dealing with these models. So what is meant by model? So when we are going or launching with a new venture, we need to understand which model to be considered and why we need this model. So in order to sell a product, we need to divide it whether it belongs to whether it should be belonged to three models, that is the theoretical approach or the practical one. As an entrepreneurial subject is a practical approach that is given by the four fathers. So the three models are psychological, sociological and integrated model. So when we speak about a sociological model, okay, let us start with psychological. First one is a psychological model. So when we speak about a psychological model, the entrepreneur should have, or it should be in his brain, that he should be succeeded anyhow and his dream should be big. He should analyze his terms and conditions in every way. He need to succeed it and he need to get the terms. He should be very particular about his success or the organization that he need to lead or the goals of the 10 years. He should be very much clear about them. So we also concluded a case study by seeing the MC Selnide theory, who concluded that dream big and dreams are like entrepreneurial modes. So this was one of the theoretical approach, that is case study that is given by MC Selnide. Whenever a person dreams big, thinks about achieving something or turning towards the universe and asking the universe of these particular things, all the universe will make it one to give him that particular target. That was about the psychological approach. So second one is a sociological model. What is meant by sociological? When we believe strongly in some, because of our forefathers and all, they used to wake up in a early morning, do surya namaskaras and all. So if you believe that strongly, that was followed by ours and our kids and all the generation together, if you are following the same thing, we call it as a sociological term. In the same way, society is also having some taboos and capitalism, where they will be following it blindly. Like Muslims need to wear a burqa and Hindus need to keep a sticker, whether it is a ritual one or any, or else Christians need to go for church in every Sunday, like that. Everyone is going to have that particular terms where it is followed by the society drastically and believing those taboos. If you are going to launch any of the entrepreneur because of that sociological issue, whether it is a puja shop or because of the production of kumkum or the production of halim, and all are done because of that. So coming to the third model is an integrated one, which is a combination of 1 plus 2, that is sociological and psychological models. Like Woodall Pratik and TV Narayan is going to launch it, and here it is like need of a motivation. So why we need a motivation is in integrated model. When coming to the psychological and social model, they are just like dreamers and they are following it. Where coming to the integrated one, even though they are following both the terms, they need a special motivation to do the things. So for an entrepreneur, motivation is like a fuel that drives him crazily towards his goal. So Max Weber, the spirit of capitalism. When we speak about a sociological case study, Max Weber came in a picture. What he done with that and theoretical approach of it. When we speak about a spirit of capitalism, he is like a person among those who used to speak taboos of a society or used to represent the society, and who also started a research on that, where entrepreneurship and that leads to the income sources. So coming to the Woodall Pratik and TV Rao, because of that, both the approaches like psychological and sociological, both of them concluded that even though we developed a model, they need a motivation or internally team members need a motivation to drive or to keep it in a successful way and to earn the earnings and all those. What is meant by motivation here? When we are about to start a motivation of an entrepreneur, so it is like need of a power, willing to power, need of affiliation means extending the business, need for achievement, one need to prove about himself or about the organization or about the family or circumstances he wanted to come or set an example for that. So then definitely these three terms like motivation of an entrepreneur comes into a picture, like need of a power, need of an affiliation, need of an achievement. So these are the terms which are a very much interesting or very much important for an entrepreneur. So when we speak about new venture, this is the theoretical and practical approaches of the models that led to the new venture. So what is meant by new venture, you can ask me. So new venture is like a company or a product with the help of ideas. If you are launching a term company, with the help of ideas, if you are launching a term company or product. We call it as a new venture. So when we speak about a new venture, the terms like company and product comes into a picture, whether it is a new idea about a product or whether it is completely a new organization. What are the setup of a new organization and all, we already discussed in an earlier video. So this is about the topic models of an entrepreneur and models of a, why we need a models of an entrepreneur. Let me give a quick outcome of this. So when we speak about a society or entrepreneurship problems, it should be developed on the basis of these three, like psychological, sociological and integrated. So based upon the case studies of MC Leonard, Max Weber and Woodall Pratik TV Rao, we with their slogans like dream big, spirit of capitalism, need of motivation. So the case study was gone to an intervention of entrepreneurship and other further motivations like need for power, need for affiliation, need for achievements helps in launching a new venture, whether it is a company or a product. It depends upon individual whether to choose it as a company or a product. This is what about the models of an entrepreneur. Thank you.